Good afternoon, guys. It is cold in Texas. I think it's 9 degrees. Definitely snowing pretty good. But I just got this Valentine's Day. Congratulations, Valentine's Day, everybody. Just got this box in yesterday, and my wife made me wait until the day to open it since my Valentine's Day gift. So, all right. So I got it right here. I already got it primed. Alright, so I have. Oh wow, yeah, check that. Oh yeah, Bark River hat. I'm gonna set that right up here. Maybe protect my phone a little bit, maybe not. Right. So today I have got my quartermaster. Alright, so I'm gonna open this up using my box over here. It's kind of a table. Amazing sheaths as always. I love their sheaths. I got this from DLT. So I'm gonna open this up before my hands turn too cold. I've got one of these coming, and I've got an EDC coming for Junior. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh wow. Wow, man, it feels so comfortable. Kind of it's got solid in the hand. Wow. So here, and it's by Vehement as well, designed. Fullers. So one thing that I've been adding mine for my stuff that I'm planning on passing down. Right there, that Malachite right there. Some white liners. Oh man, oh yeah, that's awesome. All right, I gotta go dry this and oil it up. But I couldn't resist doing it in the snow. Not often we can do that in Texas. You have a great Valentine's Day.